In this video, we are going to be identifying the composition of functions that make up a new composite function. For example, this says if f of x equals 2x, g of x equals x plus 5, h of x equals the absolute value of x, write each function as a composition of f, g, or h. So we have to figure out what composition made this new function. So I see the x plus 5, so I'm going to assume that g of x was used. And I see the absolute value bar, so that means that h of x was used. So those are the two functions, but the question is it g of h or h of g? Which function was put into the other function? So it looks like the x plus 5 is inside the absolute value, so g was put into h of x, right? And the way we would write that is h of g of x. Sometimes students want to flip the order of that, but g is going into h, right? So that has to be the inside. This one went into h, it has to be the inside function. And then h has to be on the outside. Go ahead and try the example on the right. Alright, so we're still using the same functions f, g, and h, but now we want to figure out how g of x equals 2x plus 5 was created as a composition of those functions. So I see a 2 times x, so that means that I'm using f, and I see a plus 5, so I'm using g again. But again, the question is which one is going into which? Does f go into g or g go into f? What do you guys think? If I'm putting in g into f, that means that all of this has to get multiplied by 2. But I don't see a plus 10, so that means it has to be f goes into g, right? So this piece is going into that x. So if f is going into g, g is the outside function of f is the inside function of x. So this composition made that function.